Welcome to Home of Math. First question. We will simplify if log a base x equals to 1, log a base y equals to 2 and log az equals to 3. Find log a base x cube y square divided z. So number 1, given log a base x equals to 1, log a base y equals to 2 and log a base z equals to 3. So here is log a base x cube y square divide z. Okay, this one. Now what can we do? This one we can write like log a base x cube y square minus log a base z. How we can write this one? Because we know log a base m divide n, it means log a base m minus log a base n. Also here is another thing. For this one we also can write log a base x cube plus log a base y square minus here is log a base z. How? We also know log a base m n, it means log a base m plus log a base n, right? Now we will put the value. We already know log a base x equals to 1. Therefore these 3, these 2 we can write 3 log a base x plus 2 log a base y minus log a base z. Now we can implement the value. So 3 times log a base x means what? 1. So we can write 1 plus this one times 2, because log a base y equals to 2 minus log a base z equals to what? 3. So we can write 3. Now simplify 3 plus 4 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 out. The answer is 4. Okay, very simple and also very important. So once we find out these kinds of problem, first we have to simplify and then put the value. So our answer is 4. So first question answer done. Now second one, number 2. So we can write like this: m to the power n plus 2 plus 35 times 5 to the power n minus 1 divide 4 times 5 to the power n. So this one we will simplify. So first we can write 5 to the power n times 5 square plus 35, then times this one also we can write 5 to the power n times 5 to the power minus 1, right? Why? Because we know a to the power m plus n, it means a to the power m times a to the power n, right? And here is also 4 times 5 to the power n. Look, in numerator the common thing is 5 to the power n, so we can take common this one, 5 to the power n. So here is 5 square plus 35 times, as per negative exponent it means a to the power minus n equals to, we can write 1 by a to the power n. So this one we can write 1 by 5, right? And here is 4 times 5 to the power n. So this 5 to the power n, this 5 to the power n out, right? Then here is 5 square, it means 25, plus 35 divide 5, it means 7. So 7. Now look, here is 25 plus 7, it means 32. Divide 4. So once we divide 32 by 4, we will get 8. So our answer is 8. This is our answer. Easy. So number 1 and number 2 done. Now our final question, today's number 3. 36 times 2 to the power 3x minus 8 equals to 3 square, right? And from this equation we will find the value of x. So this one, 36 times 2 to the power 3x, and this one we can write times 2 to the power minus 8, right? And then also till we can keep this one, right? 3x minus 8, and here 3 square means 9. So we can divide both sides by 9. So here is what? 4 times 2 to the power 3x minus 8 equals to what? 1, right? Now look, 4 means 2 square times 2 to the power 3x minus 8, and this one we can write 2 to the power 0. Why? Because we know a to the power 0 means 1. Now here base are same, in product power will be addition. So 2 plus 3x minus 8 equals to 2 to the power 0. So base are same, it means power will be equal. So 3x 2 minus 8, it means minus 6 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 6, right? Now we can divide both sides by 3, so x equals to 2. These 2 is our answer. Okay, thank you very much being with me. Home of Math, this video are trying to solve very important 3 exponent and logarithm type math, which is very important for SAT, IGCSE, grade 10 or any kinds of competitive examination. Also it's very important for International Math Olympiad. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you.